Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Hyderabad's most exclusive ultra luxury residential development. Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villas located in Kokapet, one of the city's fastest growing luxury destination. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villa has been designed for those who want the space and comfort of a private villa combined with the convenience and security of luxury high-rise living. Spread across approximately 5.2 acres, this iconic development offers spectacular view of the lake, the financial district and the Hyderabad skyline. The project features 4 premium towers with a structure of 2 basement, ground floor and 28 upper floors. And what makes it truly exclusive is that there are only 232 residences in the entire development. And these are spacious 4 BHK sky villas ranging from approximately 6,333 square feet to 7,333 square feet, making them some of the largest luxury residences available in the micro market. Moving on to the location, so Kokapet has rapidly emerged as one of the Hyderabad's most preferred luxury residential destination, and thanks to its excellent connectivity and proximity to a major business hub. The financial district is just about 5 to 10 minutes away, while Gachibowli IT corridor can be reached in around 10 minutes. The outer ring road is approximately 5 minutes away, providing seamless connectivity across the city. Major corporate campuses such as Wipro and Microsoft are within a 10-minute drive, and when it comes to lifestyle amenities, the project has been designed to deliver a truly premium living experience. Residents get access to an expansive 45,000 square foot, 6-level clubhouse that serves as the social and recreational hub of the development. Temperature controlled indoor swimming pool, a stunning terrace infinity pool, a mini theater, multi-purpose hall. And now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the project offers 2 sizes of 4 BHK sky villas. The 6,333 square feet residences are priced from approximately 5.38 crore rupees onwards, while the larger 7,333 square feet residences start from around 6.23 crore rupees onwards. Pricing may vary depending on floor level, view and the inventory availability. And from an investment perspective, Kokapet continues to be one of the Hyderabad's strongest luxury real estate market, and its close proximity to the financial district and Gachibowli, growing demand from HNIs and NRIs, ongoing infrastructure development and limited supply of premium lakeview residences make it a compelling long-term investment destination. For buyers booking for villa-sized home, exceptional privacy, panoramic view and a truly ultra-luxury lifestyle, Fortune Sonthalia Sky Villa is definitely a project worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.